Yes, sir.
What's up, my people? Welcome back to another episode on the Lifestyle Channel.
Why people man sound like getting drunk, you know, man.
Me and Biggs and Real Boss out here again.
Hell
So
yeah.
I'm with you outside. I go cook up a little lunch in the idea. Where's some Real Boss? What are we going with today?
Today on the menu we have some susumba with okra and some red herring, you know. And then, you know, we have some aka juca cassava with some plant. And then, you know, we have some, I put some dumpling and thing. Rub up that real fast and we're going to fry a little piece of pork here too, you know.
Yeah, let me see the pork.
Pork ready if you
Oh,
go
flour
fry.
and that, boss, yeah?
Eh?
A flour and
Flour, you know, can't cook.
Alright,
people,
so
I deal with that.
remember, no, when called Susumba, most people know it as
Wait, Jay, because I know he's. There's a plane go by. Wait.
Wait.
Alright, go.
What he calls Susumba, most people know it as gully bean. So gully bean and some red herring. Show them Bigs.
Close up, Biggs.
And the okra, we done cut up the okra already. We have a seasoning them ready. We have a flour right here. Cassava planting. We will go in a pot same way. So just remember people, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We out here do the right thing. So watch out now. Alright, my people. I'll go ahead and put the red herring. See there? We're going to put it in the pot, you know, because we're going to make it boil off. We're going to let it boil off before we pick it. So I'll go ahead and drop them in the water here, make it go and boil. So we have the flour pot on the fire same time I go and boil up too. So in the meanwhile, flour pot water go and boil up real fast. So I go ahead and knead up the flour. And I go ahead and go and cut up the season for the red herring. Big, so I go ahead and do.
Just watch you guys work. I'm here to eat and record. That's it.
Why people are going to the floor and mix up here, you know. Knead up the floor and them dumplings. Really, we going to make.
Yeah, make sure they're big.
I make no big dumplings.
Yeah.
This is some big flour you want, sir. Need some big dumpling.
Little boy dumpling.
How much you want, Biggs? How much you trying to eat?
I like 5. Something simple.
Word. I am people, you know, real boss, I need up that my over here, so I go on.
What? Bumbleclaw.
Chop up some season. That's the only one I run all the pot people.
You know what I'm saying? No one cut up today.
Yeah, they must be using 1 fire right today.
There's a lot of people. I'm right next to the airport today, and the airport in the backyard. So, when I go hear a lot of planes going by. I'm never walk with the mic, so you don't plan that far. Yes, my people, so.
So, Big, you ever eat those stuff before?
Of course.
Which one?
Last video.
So people, this is a old fashioned Jamaican dish, you know. A lot of younger generation Jamaican don't even know about this dish right here.
Yeah.
Wait, what's the name of this dish?
Gully bean and red herring. And we putting some okra in there. See me?
Yes, sir.
If you don't let your people they discover this shit, take it and run with it. Go see it in typical.
So now I go bud.
Lunchtime, you know, people, so we have to get in there.
Mm-hmm.
So eat some strong flour.
Yes, I don't know why this man can't do scotch bonnet pepper come out and put now a little red herring, you know.
Two.
Like a pepper pot. Big, a pepper pot.
It's a big
Big.
bite.
If it's over, you know. if it's Obi,
I don't have pepper.
whenever you hear that word, the name Obi in cooking, just nice spice.
Pepper food in cooking of people, so I don't know 1.5 hours that me have to run off the boat, you know.
Yeah, man. But I said, don't you run them off.
You can't yam.
Yo, yeah, people. Anytime when I come to this, man, I cook, but just step on the sideline and relax.
Can't yam people.
Why, yeah?
The man have pepper all water. Right, big?
Yep.
The man have boiled tea, give pepper. Yeah, man. Remember, like, share and subscribe, people. Tell a friend to tell a friend. The channel keep growing. Thanks to all of your support. We are 7+ now. And we keep going up. So, thank you and keep supporting us. So, we will keep doing the bad content them. You don't know which happening to go already. Right, Big?
Yep.
You don't keep producing content and you gonna keep eating up food.
Yo, Big, that one you're good for your back, you know. Go make baby after this thing.
Yo, shut up.
Nothing but triplet we producing. Yeah, Big.
Tatak you want to give Big idea.
Big.
Alright, let me start the video. You guys fucking another video right now.
Oh, you ready?
Go.
Alright, my people. Ready, it look like it fully boiled now, no? Where's the Big? You think we can take it off and pick it out now?
Of course, let's go.
Alright, and people, we go ahead and put in cassava and I pot it up. You don't know cassava tough like a boat.
Obi, hurry up.
So, I go ahead and put in the cassava and keep going boil. But now I go put in the plant now until we gonna put on the dumpling. So I will go on and load that one. Use it. So I will go on and now people, I take off the radio and get it pick up. Stay tuned, watch what I go on. Alright, people. Go ahead and get the radio and pick up, you know. Make sure say nothing in it. Pick this red herring up, make sure there's nothing in there that's not supposed to be in there.
Make sure the Jamaican don't choke in it.
Bro, there's no Dominican here.
I'm sorry, Plata.
We all US citizens here. We all got green passport.
Why? You know when Trump come pick you up?
Nah, bro, we good. We legit.
It's a green passport.
I don't know, now it's blue, right?
No. Why you give me one of them green passport before? So more want a green one because I want my one to look different.
Hey, we gotta trade in the blue one for the green one.
Bro, it should look black now. The new one look black.
Nah, it's navy blue. Still blue.
The new one, the picture page is like cardboard. That shit's thick. Like thick plastic like driver's license.
Yeah, remember I put in that washing machine and dry and it's still good.
What, for
My
real?
passport.
The newest one you got?
Yeah.
No way.
Yo, right now this is sitting for the fine bone in the people.
Good, man.
I'm fine bone today, no ga. Around 1 million fine bone na this can pick out.
Good man. Can't choke, you know. One, two, choke.
Real was you can oil put in the pot.
I put already. Are you well with one?
Oh, you put it in the pot?
Yeah, all of the pot.
Me. Flour them supposed to can throw in soon, I know. Yes, my people.
So they can't put it in anytime, you know. They can't cook the hours, you know.
Boss, you really hard man pot this, no, man. Big, you know what salt mackerel or salt fish? Yo.
Ready to a blank. Big left blank. What happened, Big?
That's your answer right there. It's a negative.
Big said negative.
Yeah, I want to tell me cook a saltfish, big.
Pigs only eat. He don't know what he eat. He just know he eat.
When I cook the aki, the meat that's in there,
Yeah.
that look like this, that's saltfish.
Codfish.
Codfish, salted codfish, anything you want to call it. Yes, my people, so I mash up this for lunch in idea, you know. I don't know, we are full time hustler, you know. So I say, Biggs,
Can't wait.
we be hustling all day.
Yes, sir.
You're moving too slow, man.
Move too slow, I pick it thing good, man. I want to Biggs, you know.
It's alright. The man I'm dumpling, you can't take out the bone out and chew it.
Alright.
Alright, my people, so I go ahead and chew in them season and go and start a little bit. And at the same time, we're about to go ahead and start make this
Dumpling.
flour them too in a pot. You don't know, no, man. It's a pot like a 30-minute pot. Quick cook, you know, like I come like you cooking tin mackerel. Right, everybody. Quick and fast. Let's say big. You like pot like this.
I love it.
Cook fast.
Yeah, make sure it's big.
Yeah, calm down.
Close up on the season pot and see what one big. Let's go 2x. Active pot, well pretty. Pepper kill we later in this pot.
I walk up. Don't talk.
Man say 2 pepper and 1 in a pot in a bed. And at Jamaica, them pepper come from, you know, what? They carry them up from here forward, you know. No, them are hot in a bread.
Don't worry, Biggs. I got the hose right here. All the water you could drink.
Yeah. What's that? That ghost pepper juice?
No.
Scotch bonnet.
That's worse or does
No.
Scotch bonnet is hot, but it's not as hot as a ghost pepper.
Yeah.
I bought a ghost pepper tree yesterday, so they're going to see that in my vlog when they start pulling out peppers.
Yo, your man loves that shit.
I'm going to drop that on some jerk chicken.
Some soup.
People going to burn up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we put that in soup. Ain't nobody drinking that soup.
I'll drink it.
Bro, like last month, that soup, who made that soup? Obi was there.
Yeah, and put like 20 pepper in the soup.
Bro, that shit was spicy.
Make you the fuck up, man.
Bro, you could be drunk and that shit just revive you.
Instant.
Yo, we gonna make some cow skin soup one of these days.
Nah, you need to make that goat soup, you're saying.
Yeah, we gonna make a lot of soup with summer, nigga. You know, every weekend we put on some soup. We're gonna do more outdoor soup though.
I think Steve was asking me, damn, you niggas.
I bought a new stove like this too. An outdoor one, but it's not this tall, it's a low one.
Ain't big stuff, you need to stand up,
So I
man.
got like 3 of them shits now.
Don't buy me another one like this.
And give me that one.
Nope, I need this.
Pussy.
You better buy the grill so we can come by and grill up. Show the people your backyard too.
The boonies.
Alright, my people, stay tuned. So I'm gonna chew in this and I'll make this go and fry up. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the red herring with this, let it all fry up together. Then in a couple minutes I'm gonna throw in the other good stuff we have over there. Gully bean and okra them. Active up, where would I have gone?
So good.
So cold. Alright, my people, we're about to go ahead and put in the plant them in a pot. So that's almost done cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the okra and the gully bean. thin and this make everything cook up together. Don't know when this cook up together, done it done. Berapa? Kau tu season apa tapi?
You guys don't slap you, mama.
that one goes in everything.
Guys, a whole lot of beer. No beer not going, I'm really big size.
Yeah, say all that funny. I got the other man have a breadfruit and
Double.
that's one bucket of salt funny. And a breadfruit, how done them again? Oh, the roast yam.
There's some Maggi jerk.
Alright, and chicken and season man.
That, yeah, you go on. And some black pepper. Alright, people, see there. See it right.
See what you know what you say. Alright, stay tuned for the finished product. Look at that pot before I go. Alright. Alright, my people. Check in back and see what going on. Fully active, that done cooking, that ready to consume. Flour pot fully active to ready for consume.
Sir.
So right now we're not wasting time. We'll go ahead and take them off, you know. Turn them off for one now. I want them just to move it over.
E-I-E-I-O.
Alright, my people, we're about to come deal with the shearing in the meantime. I'm going to put on some oil on the next flavor, so cause we have some pork we have a fry, because we're going to have some fried pork in the idea too, you know. Here's the big fried pork on deck.
Hell yeah, that's the best one.
We're about pot active, you know. We're going to shear up
It's ready for syrup.
a long time.
Good night, people. Big say on 12 dumplings, so we have to active that, you know.
You 6 they got them for the big like a car queen. You know what I'm going?
I'll take 2 dumplings.
2.
They might pour up the table with that there.
Bombacla.
Take it, well,
Chase.
Alright, my people, I'll go ahead and get the food cheer up. Our boss have run out to do that thing. So I'll get the food cheer up in the meantime. So here, just stay tuned and watch what go on when we get them cheer up. And we'll consume. Alright, my people. See, finished product here, you know. Some strong flour.
Yes, sir.
With red herring and gully bean and okra. I don't know the choppings go, so we'll go ahead and consume, you know, so stay tuned for that. Alright, my people, we'll share up the food for consuming, you know, but before we go start consuming, we'll put some pork in the pot to go and fry.
Oh, yeah, baby. Woo.
Look on the fried pork choppings and all. Take time there.
Yeah, put some more.
Yeah, hold on.
it's 280.
You go on there with the pork, you know. You pork your hand and pork, you know.
Yo. Oh, yeah. Bombo.
See, that's the most excited you're gonna hear him get, people. When you see pork,
Hell yeah.
Beautiful pork. You have to see this when you done frying and nothing normal enough people. But in the meantime, you have to consume for food. You know. Stay tuned.
Now we're gonna wait for that one to finish.
We're trying to finish. I'm going shit. Alright, Big, just your food go on. Look like you're choke, my father. You can't talk.
10 out of 10. Fuego.
Where's it hot? Bossy pepper it.
Not really.
Real boss, you say, why going to have food over there, so?
go in there, John, you know, people. People look, food look well prepared, right?
I can choke look around.
Y'all pregnant already?
Mm-hmm.
You
Where's
sure?
it active?
For the active people.
My choke people can't manage it. Take up more than you can go. Pepper, you might chop up pepper and see no pepper mash him up.
I'm pepper there.
Alright, my people, see where I say still. When I go consume it, you know, because I deal with them fryers, yeah. Fried pork. Big lovely fried pork, you know, man. Chicharron, you know, my father.
Who doesn't love it?
To tell you the truth, you know, and their body sting for real. Alright, my people. But, alright, we don't do the cook up still, you know. This a fried pork, I just an extra brata. Dessert, we call that. So, we are going to see any vlog, so, you know, so until the next one, remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Where you say, Biggs? Girl boss?
Next time when we are going again, people. Alright.
Alright, my people, happy people, we out.